Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Hirono x Kodak, Hirono Little Hare and Flying Labubu. Let's start with the first one. This Hirono x Kodak Click Bear comes in such a cool package. It's made to look exactly like a vintage Kodak film canister, perfectly matching the retro camera scene. Oh wow, it's even cuter in person. Look at this texture. Even the hood brim is on point. This is 100% a mini raincoat. And the arms are posable. Look at the wide, flat feet. They help the figure stand super well. Look at the back. It's got the iconic Kodak logo and the classic slogan, "It's time to smile." The tail is so incredibly soft to the touch. Look at the water drop prints here. And the outfit is even made of raincoat material. The texture is amazing. And right here on the chest, there's a Kodak logo. Check out this little accessory, a classic vintage film camera slung crossbody. Oh wow, check this out. There's a little pocket with Hirono's photo on it. The drawstring is nicely made. This piece is full of amazing details. Look, its right ear is wrapped with a bandage. Such a classic Hirono design. Pull up the hood to take a look. What an adorable face! This camera accessory is removable. Let me take a photo for you. These metal snap buttons are chef's kiss, so well made. Let's take the raincoat off and take a look. Look, it's a tiny bear. It's just a little round bear. So fluffy and soft, it's perfect to squish. Just like other Hirono plush, it has one button eye and one regular eye. Now, let's check out the Hirono Little Hare. This one comes in a Middleton packaging, and there's a slogan on the lid too. Let's open it. A cute pink bunny. There's a Hirono tag on its foot. Its legs feature fabric splicing, such a unique design. The arms can move freely. It also wears a scarf with super soft texture. Hirono is absolutely stunning. Same classic button eye here too. Soft lamb fleece texture. Ears with inner frame for easy posing. Retro print on the ear back. Such a sweet and gentle bunny. Captain Labubu is here. The quality here is next level. 4 middle buttons here. It comes with a matching beaded strap. A tiny captain included. It has bright blue eyes and nose, plus a cool gold tooth. The iconic Labubu ears are still here. There's even a storage bag included. How thoughtful. Sailor Labubu is here. It wears a classic sailor outfit. The hat and chain have great details. It comes with a matching storage bag. A Bluetooth on the sailor. Look, there is a scar. Mermaid Mokoko is here. Cute shows by its cheeks. Its eyelashes are so curly. It has a sequined starfish on top. Each strap is unique to match its style. Look at this shiny fish tail. It's gorgeous. That's all for these 3 cuties. Feel free to visit our website Popboxss if you're interested. We have lots of special offers waiting for you. Use PT14 for 14% off. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.